तेरी guys, wish me luck.
I won't look back.
You guys are really as I remember, is it कोई जहाज में बैठा नहीं? I'm not sitting in a plane. We're going to go somewhere. Let's explore some stuff and have fun. ख़वातीन हज़रात, सीट बेल्ट बांध ले, एयर ब्लू में बैठे हवा में उड़ने वाले। एक मिनट, तूफान कहाँ से आते हैं? Guys, didn't we start the vlog when it was sunny? It's like कहीं इंडिया से पाकिस्तान गए और इंडिया से पाकिस्तान गए और बर्फ़ होनी शुरू हो गई। Alright, so I'm at Yorkdale Mall. First thing I see is Casper. What is this? Casper the Friendly Ghost? This place is fair weather. I really don't think Canadian weather is fair. Here, let me explain. Because like guys, when I left the location, it was sunny. And now when I came, halfway in the middle, पता नहीं कहाँ से तूफान आना शुरू हो गया. I don't know from where the snowstorm started happening. ये क्या था? What was this bell? Yeah, everything wants to ruin my vlog. You know what? Look at this. Spread love. ऊपर से क्या कर रही है? बर्फ गिर रही है. That's pretty cool. Cool. ये है शादी day 5. I have to take my next bus and फिर पागल वाली सीढ़ी आगे बीच में. Most magical time of the year. नहीं क्या हो रहा है बीच में? कोई function हो रहा है? Alright, so Jumanji is playing. I'm about to watch this movie, Jumanji 2. Stay tuned for that video. Alright, so I took stairs then. लेकिन और सीढ़ियाँ, like what am I supposed to do? एक मिनट, ये क्या लिखा है? Elevator across the hallway. Thank you. नहीं दफ़ा कर elevator across the hallway में क्या walk करके जाओगे उधर? Yeah, and of course they had to close the escalator ताकि लोग walk करके आए और अपनी workout करें. लाइफ में पहली दफ़ा ऐसी वेबसाइट देखी है, howyoheard.c. Guys, look, वो देखो ट्रेन जा रही है कराची टू लाहौर, काराकोरम एक्सप्रेस. Stay back, stay safe. नहीं तो आगे जाओ उधर. Here the roads look like London, so congested, छोटे. और ये तो London vibes आ रही है. Hopefully I don't get lost. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna get lost. या अल्लाह मदद करना. ओ तेरी guys, wish me luck. Look at this. तूफान आ गया, तूफान. Guys, I don't know where I'm walking. This is like Snow World. Disneyland आ गया. आज कोई बहुत खुश हो रहा है. I can't walk. The eyelashes. I wish I had camel eyelashes. I'm happy with what I have. लगता है कि मेरे hair में dandruff है, but it's actually snow. हाँ, ये सीढ़ियों को अभी आने ताकि मैं फिसलूं. Now it's decided to get sunny. What is this, Canada? नहीं मतलब मैं 200 किलोमीटर बस में बैठ गया और अब पाकिस्तान sunny होता है. What is this, Canada? Like I traveled 200 kilometers and now it's sunny. Why not before? ज़रूर तूफान के अंदर घुसना था. Guys, check this out. Ready? Yo, that is high. Should I sit at the edge? What type of emergency sign is this? Santa Claus exposed. Alright, looks like I found Shun the sheep. तू दफा जो मेरी फोटो मत ले. Whoever has fear of heights never come to this college. वरना आपको हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा. Investing in a world of possibilities. नहीं कि इधर मिनिस्टर हाउस खोला है. Alright guys, world's $1 million donut. Alright guys, it's night now. This आपको नज़र आ रहा है. It's finally night. So if you haven't watched the previous video, go watch it. We have a surprise. We revealed the surprise for you guys. And also, I just want to let you know that Canada is the second coldest country in the world. That's why मेरा हाथ लाल हो गया. Guys, I feel like, do you hear that? Someone's crying. हाँ भाई, कौन रो रहा है? नहीं देना जवाब. तो रोती रहा. Hello. दफा हो जा. Alright guys, it's time to wrap the vlog. My hands are getting cold. Minus 30 today. Legit, if your parents will tell you like wear 5 shirts, 5 sweaters, ऊपर से 5 hoodies, फिर आखिरी में jacket. That's what parents are. But guys, listen to your parents. They're parents for a reason. They're there for you always. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm on the train track now. If I die, Allah Hafiz to all of you. But let's end this vlog. Train aa rahi piche light hai. Train aa rahi, but it's fine. Zyada dur hai. So anyways, the train is behind me. I gotta end this vlog fast. Thank you all for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to watch the previous videos. Sans chad gaya. The train is coming close. But you see this merch. Make sure to get yourself shamdis.com. And if you see the vlog tomorrow, that means the train didn't hit me. I survived. And train aa rahi. Bago guys. I'll see you. Take care. Bye.